Hey guys, it's February, and you know what that means? That means it's Black History Month. So we're gonna kick it off with a soul food series. And today we're gonna start with one of the main soul foods, collard greens. Let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is add 3 quarts of water to a very large pot. And then you're gonna add your smoked meat here. Just plop them right in there.
Bless you.
Get them sizzling. That's my brother, Max, is blowing up a storm over there. Anyway, then we're gonna add some hot sauce, just give it a little flavor. It smells real hot. All right, let's put it in. I'm just gonna eye it, so just eye it. Bless you. We're not a sick family, okay? He just has some sneezing problems. All right. Just don't mind, okay? All right, here we go. It's probably around 2 teaspoons. The only reason I'm laughing is because it looks really disgusting right now.
Bruh.
This is not sponsored, but I'm gonna be using Kinder's. And if you're gonna be using Kinder's too, I would get the blend and wood-fired garlic. So let's put some of that in there. About a teaspoon. And then we're gonna add in our wood-fired goo. And about a teaspoon of that probably too. And this is actually a very essential part of your collard greens because it's just gonna give it some really good flavor for the collards to cook in. And you're gonna turn your heat to high and bring it to a boil. And once it's boiling, you just turn it to medium and let it cook for an entire hour. So what this is gonna do is just let all those delicious flavors come out from the smoked meat and blend with the seasonings. And once it's ready, it's gonna give your collard greens a really nice taste and make it nice and tender and delicious. So that's what this is doing. It's simmered on medium for an hour. So now you're gonna either take a really big bunch of collard greens or 2/3 of a bag of collard greens. So let's put some greens in the pot. Don't be afraid to fill it up all the way because once they're cooked, they're gonna shrink down. So we just need to fill this thing up. And then you're gonna put your lid on and let it simmer for 45 minutes. Our collard greens are finally done. So just a little thing I'm gonna say here. Listen up, listen up. Make sure and taste test them as soon as they're done and make sure they don't need more seasoning because they might need more seasoning. I mean, they're collard greens. So anyway, stay tuned for the next episode. We're making sweet honey cornbread. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!